So let's talk about Google Skill Boost. This is a platform where you can learn and practically try some procedures and learn cloud to become more familiar with cloud. So how we can get access to this platform? First we have a subscription, monthly subscription, $29 for now. Also you can use credits. Okay, I found it. Credits. Okay, so here is credits. One credit cost $1 probably, but if you buy more you probably get a discount. So the better way, I believe, that is subscription for now, because it's cheaper. Probably you whole month can use for playing with resources and creating. What is also I would like to point out that you can for students, as student you can get, I believe, 200 credits. So this is one other point. This for free to learn Skill Boost. What's in and I would like also mention that Google often creates some programs for some different countries. For my, probably this is grow your career with Google Cloud, and you can learn. You get 45 then access for Google Cloud Skill Boost platform, and you can try different products. So this is other way. So you need to Google, and when you Google, it show you if your country has similar program. Next option, let's talk about what it has inside, what we can here is path for different specialization, for developer, for machine learning engineer, for DevOps engineer, SRE, cloud architects, and etc. Inside each path, for example, we have different courses. These courses also free, so you need only to register in this platform and you can get it for free. But labs are payable resource. So let's review DevOps, and here is tour, and test. You can test. It says 700 labs. You can get each lab cost some credits. Small lab cost probably 1 credits. Big one cost probably 5 to 10 credits. If you use subscription, you don't have credits, and you get everything you need. After you, so here is price. After you pass the lab, you get this is badge or course page. When you finish course, or that badges you can share. You create your profile and you can share. Here you can find what you're interested. If you're interested in Kubernetes, you write Kubernetes and it return. And here you can filter by any badge, and here is similar badge, and you can have skill badge. Skill badge you can earn only if you pass lab with challenge lab. So here you can select format or course on selected topic, and language you can find. So probably I want only lab, and it's skill badge Kubernetes. Okay, lab. Oh, and here you can see hello node, logging, and etc. All options. Okay, and select English. Okay, Kubernetes. Okay, maybe it's because I not signed in. Okay. So when you log in and register to Google Skill Boost, you will have profile. Here is profile, and you can make profile private or public. By default it's private, but you can make it public. I make it public. Here is path which I take, activities, and ledger board. Here is leagues and badges. Here is every practical course give you opportunity to have a skill badge, and here is completion badge. This is for theoretical course. So you can share them, share on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. And you can accept this profile. I add to my LinkedIn this profile, and also you can accept pages on Gradle. So in that way, every employer can find you. So let's okay, I move and share. So I can see and can share, make page private, public. Okay, this is the way. And here is my profile. See all pages. I have a lot of pages. So yes, they added all here. But it make your profile a little rubbish. So this is the way, and you can add to LinkedIn, and potential employer can review your progress in Google Cloud, and then you can certify. So I have associate certification in 23, and in this year I pass professional certification.